guys in the YouTube? This is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKILLRACK daily challenge for April 13, 2021. Let's see what's in there. Maximum among K set. What was that? The program must accept an integer as an input and K as an input. The program must print the maximum among each set of integers of size K. If the last set doesn't contain K integer, then ignore the set. Oh. Here the n is 10 and we got 10 elements. The K value, which is nothing but the set size, is 4. We have to print the maximum among these first 4, right? Which is nothing but 88. And in this 4 element, the maximum element is 9899. And it doesn't have the length of K, so we simply ignore it. Same here, I guess. First 5 and the last 5. So how many times we are looking for it? We just looking n by k times, right? So we just make a loop which is enough to find the max. First I'm going to do for the input parts. N, we get integer values, so I'm using int here. I'm just typecasting this input which was given by the input keyword. Here I'm going to make a list to get n elements for I in range of n, which is nothing but 10. We have to append the values, right? Again, here also I need integer values, but those values are splitted by space, so I can simply use map function here. List, I'm going to create a list with iteration of 10, which is nothing but space separated elements, and the data type is integer. Here split. In this line, input dot split will create will give me a list of numbers like 2, 55, 88 and 14. But unfortunately the elements given by input dot split is in string. Yo. So if we add to string, it won't give something like 2 plus 55 equal to 255, not 257. So for that I need to typecast. But here I don't use any operations, right? I'm just simply doing it. So for this case, the string list is enough for me. And here comes the k value. How many times I'm going to iterate? For I in range of n by k times, right? We don't have to worry about the left out part. So here in this case the limit is 10 and the set size is 4, which is nothing but 2. We have to check for the first 2 sets, right? We can left out the third one. 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. That's it. We don't have to worry about this one. So I'm just iterating n by 2 times. n by k times. We have the set of, we need to print the set of max of that case elements, right? For that I'm going to print max of list I into k is to k I into k plus k plus 1. Seems like a weird one, right? Yeah, I will explain it. I into k, for first iteration it will do nothing but 0 into 4, which is nothing but a 0. Initial value will be 0, right? Here uh, limit is I into k plus k plus 1, which is nothing but 0 into 4 plus 4 plus 1. So we need to traverse up to 0 to 4 plus 1, 5. Why 5? If we just put 4 here, what it will do is 0, 1, 2. Yeah, we don't need that 1. This is enough. It will just look at the first 4 elements. Then I value would be 1. I into k will become 1 into 4, which is nothing but a 4. I into k plus k will become 1 into 4 plus 4, which is nothing but a 8, I guess. 4 plus 4, 8. Yeah, here 4 is to 8. We get elements from 4, 5, 6, 7 k elements, right? In this case I value became 2, which is not less than n by k 2. 2 is equal to 2, right? So the loop will break at this point. We don't need a new line separated output. The output was space separated. First element space, second element space. So I am specifying end here. At the end, just print space, not a whole line. Let me check. Print. Oh, I just missed the curly braces here. Oh, you. Yeah, I just misplaced missed the curly braces there, but I put it here so it show me something. Are you 889899? You, we got that. See, in this line you can able to see there is a space, right? Each and every element there is a space, but in this case I didn't specify any method here as a end, so it will make a new line. These things are broken. If I enter something, it will be a new line. Print of tada 2. Here I didn't specify the new line. If I took it out, it will be on the tada will be here, not there, but the tada 2 will be a new line. That's the specialty of end. Here the line is ended with a space, not a new line. But in this case, the line is ended with a new how to say new line. See, you can able to find see a space here, but this space is an escape case. I mean escape character, which is nothing but a slash n. Here, how it is specified is like comma end equal to slash n. Put. See, normally it seems like ended here, but if we scroll down, there is a thing, right? That's the slash n escape character. Okay, it's time to shut it out. You have to print what I said. List of I into k, I into k plus k for I in range of n slash k. Yeah, seems fine. Ooh, yeah. We got the set. I forgot to mention max here. I just need a maximum element, right? So with this, we can reduce 2 lines. See, we got the same output 88, 98, 99. I just want to reduce these 3 lines to make it as a one-liner. Yeah, I'm going to try that one. For that, I need a n value, list value, k, right? I can do simply like n is used only once here, so I can put int of input of here, but the k and list are used repeatedly again and again, so the list and k value should be stored, then only I can use it again and again. For that, I have already created a function n list k. I'm going to pass the parameters here. First, int of input of comma input dot split comma int input of. Print. Tada. We got that. 88, 9899. All the thing happened just in one line. One line. Next time I'm going to try 0-line coder. Okay guys, that's it. Wish me luck. Here it is. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but it just print. Why you do this? I have to specify plus 1 there. 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4. Yeah, it seems fine. No, but why? 88. Oh, whoa, whoa. I got it. I got that. I have found what I have messed with. Here, I just passed the list of element as a string, right? My list is full of sheep. Here, 2, 55, 88, 14, and 678, right? Even though the 678 is the biggest number in integer, it is smaller than 88 in string, because the first character of this one is 8 and the first character of this one is 6. So it just consider 88 as a maximum. For to get rid of this mess, I have to specify this is a list of an integer with the data type int, integer data type, and the iterator is from the string list input.split. This will work now. Wish me luck this time. Yo, we got it. We made it with a one liner. And number of solvers? 0! I am the first one solved it.